What's up guys, it's Dan and today we're in Diamond Bar, California. It's a Filipino restaurant and here we're gonna grab some traditional Kamayan Filipino feast and a Boodle fight and we're gonna show you how it is. Let's do it. Hey guys, so the feast is here. Boodle fight. I'm gonna let Tita here explain it. That's what we got here for you guys.
First of all, the appetizer, we have the mango, the eggplant, lumpia, Shanghai, the egg roll, and then you can select pork belly, lechon kawali, pork sisig, and chicken inasal, shrimp.
So we're about to get started. Apparently you're supposed to eat the Boodle fight with your hands. We're gonna start off with some mangoes. Let's see. Really sweet. Really sweet. It's like a little mango salsa. Pretty delicious. These are the sauces they gave us. I'm gonna taste them. Apparently this one is for the meat. It's like a peppery soy sauce. Apparently this goes for pork belly dishes. It's sweet and sour sauce. It goes for LUMPIA. Pretty sweet. This is like a little, this has a strong flavor. It's like a little shrimp paste. And it goes with, it's pretty salty too. It goes with the appetizers, the eggplant, and the mangoes. And then this is some vinaigrette sauce. I think you can use that for anything. So yeah, let's dig in guys. I'm gonna actually try this. This is a LIMPIO, which is the crispy pork belly. Super crunchy. So it's time to try the pork SISIG, which is basically stir-fried pork. They sauteed it with a bunch of, marinades and vegetables. I think this is the LUMPIAs. This is a big one. One of them is shrimp and one of them is pork. So let's dip this in with the sweet and sour sauce. So there are smaller ones. Let's see if they're better. It has a different filling. Kind of tastes like a chicken nugget, weirdly. What's next? Shrimp. These are whole shrimps. So what I do first is I open the head, suck it up. These shrimps are fresh. You know, because it doesn't have that fishy sea taste. I'm gonna dip this with the vinegar sauce. Wow, these are really fresh shrimp, guys. You know, the Philippines is an island, so good seafood is a given. I think we haven't tried the chicken yet. So this is chicken INASAL. I'm gonna dip it with the meat sauce. This is for the meat. Falls right off the bone, guys. All the meats here are really, really juicy. Getting messy is a must when you're eating a Boodle fight. I'm eating this by myself, but usually you share this with a family, like 10, 20 people, and you're kind of like fighting for the food. So that's why it's called Boodle fight. I think we tried all of them. There's so much food. Boodle fight for 4. Boodle fight kicked my ass. I took a huge L, but if you like this video, like it, comment where you want us to check out next, and subscribe for more food vlogs and mukbangs for the Mug Gang. Deuces.